Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 7-inch 175mm PCD coating removal wheel. PC is polycrystalline diamond. It doesn't heat up, so when you grind off a coating that's very soft, it won't make it sticky and smear, so it rips it off like a tiger's claw. And you just have great wear rates to it as well. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the diamond impregnated pads called the Emperor. These are in sizes from 17, 21, 24, and 27 inch. They have a phenomenal life. They'll definitely pop that dull concrete polished floor like nothing. Even natural stone. Has great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters for the NewGrind grinders. Now, this is a fast way to change your tooling. This is so you're not married to a proprietary diamond system, and a set of diamonds will cost you a quarter or a fraction of what you currently pay, and you get better stuff. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Chemtech Chem 1000 Polyaspartic. This is a 2-gallon kit. It's an 85% solids polyaspartic. It has excellent UV and solvent chemical resistance. It showcases outstanding appearance. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Rhombus single 16 grit medium bond. Now, this is a true 16. It's not no synthetic diamond. This has a heavy concentration of a true 16. Its job is to do a heavy stock removal. It gives a great scratch profile if you want to do a heavy build-up coating of some sort. It has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 3-inch 76mm 10-seg grinding disc. This is a 30 grit medium bond. This is great for general stock removal if you want to transition to the polishing phase. The edges are all rounded, rides over lippage beautifully, works wet or dry. Message me now.